Hello everyone. There is a requirement through the government that suppose if any of our product sells below 1000 rupees, so the GST tax percentage will be different for that product. And if the same product or any other product sells for 1000 rupees or above, then the GST percentage charged on that product will be different. This law is applied for different types of products of different trades, like for shoes, footwear, garments, etc. So to automatically maintain rate-wise GST, Marg software has a provision. To enable this provision, you will go on Masters, Marg Setups, Control Room, and in Search and All, we will search for Rate-wise GST. Here you will get an option, Rate-wise GST, where you have 7 options. According to your requirement, you can select any one of them. Means, do you want to set rate-wise GST, item-wise, company-wise, commodity-wise, category-wise, etc. So for now, we will select 2 for all. After selecting, in Rate and Discount Master, one option will be enabled, Rate-wise GST for all, means for all items. When we will enter on this option, then software will open a window. For example, here we have specified to the software that if there is 5% GST on any item, and if we sell this 5% GST item for 500 rupees or above, so instead of 5%, 12% GST should be charged on the sale of those items as per government law. After doing such a setting, let's see what will be its billing effect. So we have loaded an item shirt in this bill, which is for 400 rupees. Now because the sale rate of this shirt is below 500 rupees, that's why 2.5 plus 2.5 GST is being charged. But when we sell the same shirt for 550 rupees, then automatically 12% GST is being charged. Similarly, if you want, then you can set rate-wise GST on item-wise, company-wise, commodity-wise, etc. Now let's take an example of company-wise, for which we will set this option to 4. After selecting in Rate and Discount Master, company-wise GST will get enabled. Through this window, you can set that what default GST percentage is set on which company products, and if the rate is equal to or greater than the one that you specify here, then what GST percentage should be charged. So we have specified that the default GST percentage on the products of Park Avenue is 5%. When the products of Park Avenue are sold for 1000 rupees or above that, then 12% GST should be charged. Thanks for watching.